皆さん、こんにちは。Natasha-sensei です。Welcome back to our Japanese class. Today, we are going to explore the additional hiragana sounds. じゃあ、始めましょう。These are the additional sounds that we will learn for today. There are 5 of them. Dakuon, Handakuon, Sokuon, Chouon, and Youon. Let's take a look at the first additional sound, Dakuon and Handakuon. Dakuon is voice sound. These are hiragana with 2 small lines that is placed on top of the characters called Dakuon. They change the basic consonant into voice sound. For Dakuon, these are the 4 lines that we use, which are ka, sa, ta, and ha line. These are the example. For ka line, by adding double line on right top, the sound will change to G sound. Same for sa line, change to Z sound. Ta line to D sound, ha line to ba sound. Ha line to B sound. Let's pronounce them together. Starts from G sound, ga, gi, gu, ge, go. Z sound, za, ji, zu, ze, zo. D sound, da, ji, zu, de, do. B sound, ba, bi, bu, be, bo. For Z and D line, both have same sound for G and zu, but with different characters. But the difference is G and zu for the Z line is frequently used. For D line, G and zu are special case. Move on to the next one, Handakuon, which is semi-voice sound. The hiragana have a small circle called Handakuon. They change the H sounds to P sounds. These are the example. Let's pronounce them together. Pa, pi, pu, pe, po. Next, let's hear and read it together. 聞いて読みましょう。鍵、鍵、キー。ご飯、ご飯。ライス。事故、事故。accident。鉛筆、鉛筆。pencil。Next, move to the Sokuon. Sokuon is an additional of hiragana sound by adding small s. A small s shows a double consonant or a short pause. It makes the pronunciation stronger or sharper. This is the character that will be used. When writing small s, make sure the size is 1/4 smaller than the original size. Let's hear and read it together. 聞いて読みましょう。切って、切って、stem。夫、夫、my husband。雑誌、雑誌、magazine。引っ越し、引っ越し、moving out。石鹸、石鹸、soup。Next is additional of hiragana sound by adding small ya, you, yo, or we call it as Youon, combined sound. These are the combination of a small ya, you, yo, and the consonant. They create a new sound that are shorter and smoother. These are the characters that involve. They will use any characters that end with E sound, except E, and adding ya, you, yo at the back to create a new sound. Same as small s, to write small ya, you, yo, please make sure to keep the size smaller than the original size. These are the example. Let's pronounce them together. Kya, kyu, kyo. Sha, shu, sho. Cha, ju, cho. Nya, nyu, nyo. Next. Hya, hyu, hyo. Mya, myu, myo. Rya, ryu, ryo. Next, we have Dakuon and Handakuon, adding the small ya, you, yo. Gya, gyu, gyo. Ja, ju, jo. Ja, ju, jo. Bya, byu, byo. Pya, pyu, pyo. The ja highlighted in the red is a special case.聞いて読みましょう。客、客、customer。医者、医者、doctor。趣味、趣味、hobby。去年、去年、last year。人形、人形、mermaid。彼女、彼女、girlfriend。Next is an additional of a vowel letter to create a long sound. A repeated vowel shows a long vowel sound. It makes the vowel sound longer. These are the characters involved, which are a, I, U, E, O. By adding this vowel, the pronunciation will become longer. For example, obasang, which means aunt. If you adding a same sound a after the ba, it creates a long sound, おばあさん, which means grandmother. Same for おじさん. By adding the same sound, E, after G, it will create おじさん, means grandfather. For Yuki, snow, by adding the same sound, U, after U, become Yuki, means courage. But for sound that end with e, these cases are a little bit special. For e sound, to make it longer, you need to add a vowel e. Same as o sound, need to add u to make a long sound. For example, heya, room. To make the e sound longer, you need to add e. It will become heya, means plain. And koko, here, by adding u after o sound, it's create koko, means high school. It is a really rare case if you found the e sound also adding e and o sound adding o to create a long sound, like one-san and oki. For one-san and oki is the special case. Let's hear and read it together. 聞いて読みましょう。学生、学生。student。先生、先生。teacher。お父さん、お父さん。father。お兄さん、お兄さん。brother。大きい、大きい。large。皆さん、お疲れ様でした。With this, you have now completed learning all the hiragana. Please remember to keep practicing, reading, and writing. See you in the next lesson. またね。